So welcome to my channel CP Tech Bar. I am your Prashant Chobe. Today I am telling you how to download QBasic in your mobile phone. Those students not have a computer at home, so I am telling you the way how to do the practical in your mobile phone. Okay, so that software is very same as in our computer system. We are using QBasic 64. So that software is same as work in your mobile phone, and your mobile phone support APK file. So see here the steps. Now type here QBasic 64 Android. Now click on the first link. See QBasic compiler for Android APK. It is the mobile software. Click on the download. Now go to the download. Now see here, click on the download. After that, click on OK to continue. Don't worry, it is not a virus. After completing of download, see how to install in your mobile phone. So it is the educational purpose I am making a video. Those not having a computer, so don't worry. I am providing the platform how to do your practical at your home. So few apps are available in the Play Store, but that is not working properly. The compiler was showing every time the errors, but this software is same as your computer system. And here it is also one thing, it is not properly working on the computer because it's having some few keys are there. That means you have to activate the mouse and keyboard. By using that you can use it. Now see how to install. Simply click on the install and wait for the completing of installation process. It's scanning here, so it's not a viruses. Now click on the open. Now see your file has been opened here, the QBasic. Click on the play and wait for the your system is booting up. The application may be booting up. Now see it is the interface here. Simply click on the enter. Now you will be entered in your QBasic interface. Now here some blue